Dear students, in the last episode we discussed about all the theorems of data circles. That is chapter 10. Then there are three exercises for that chapter. First three exercises are simple questions with the true or false or draw to different circles, etc. Therefore, all the problems of that exercise 10.1, 10.2, 10.3 are for your homework. Then the next exercise is 10.4. The first question is two circles of radius 5 cm and 3 cm intersect. Distance between the centers is 4 cm. Find the length of the chord between point of intersection. That means there are two circles, one is with 5 cm radius and another 3 cm. Therefore, the large circle is the circle with 5 cm and the smaller circle with 3 cm. Therefore, we draw the circles. That is the answer. That is a smaller circle. And the distance between these 2 points, that is AB, is 4 centimeter. Radius of the first circle and the radius of the second circle. This is the point of intersection P. Consider this point C. Then we can find out the length of that chord PQ. Chord is the line joining point of intersection of two circles. P and Q are the point of intersection of the circles. A and B are the centers of the circle. Therefore, we know that the answer is AP is equal to 5 cm. BP is equal to 3 cm. We can find out the BC. Then distance between these two centers, that is AB, is equal to 4 cm. Let us assume that AC is equal to x. Therefore, BC is equal to 4 minus x. AC is equal to x centimeter. Therefore, BC is equal to 4 minus x centimeter. That is necessity these 2 points is. Then we know that there is, that is this one. This is a right angle triangle C. Then hypotenuse is 5 cm and base is what? 4x cm. And in this right angle triangle PCB, that PB is 3 cm, that is the hypotenuse, and base CB is 4 minus x cm. Therefore, from the first triangle, PC square is equal to hypotenuse square minus base square, that is 5 square minus x square, is equal to 25 minus x square. And from the second triangle, BC is equal to, that is BC square is equal to hypotenuse is PB and base is BC. That is PB is 3 square minus 4 minus x the whole square, because BC is equal to 4 minus x. Okay? That is equal to 3 square, it is 9 minus 4. A minus B the whole square, what is A minus over A square? That is 60. Minus 2AB, that is 8x, plus B square, that is A square. That is equal to 9 minus 16, minus into minus, plus, minus x square, is equal to 9 minus 16, what is it? 7 minus 7 plus 8x minus x square. That is PC square. This is first equation and this is the second equation. We know that the first and the second equations left hand side are equal, therefore right hand side are equal. Therefore, from 1 and 2, 25 minus s square is equal to minus 7 plus 8x minus s square. There are two terms we can cancel these two. That is minus s square cancels in the left and the right. Then minus sign in the left. 25 plus 7 is equal to 8x. 25 plus 7 is 32. Therefore 8x is equal to 32. Therefore x is equal to 32 by 8. Is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 means that this length, this is 4. That is AB is equal to 4 means this x is equal to 4, which implies that this C is always the center of that second circle. That means B and C. That means this is the circle. Therefore, x is equal to 4 we get. Then, what is PC square is equal to 25 minus s square. Therefore, PC square is equal to 25 minus x square. X is 4. That is equal to 9. Therefore, PC is equal to root 9 is equal to 3 centimeter. Okay? That means PC is always the radius of the second circle. Therefore, PQ is equal to, that means AB perpendicular from a chord bisect that these two lengths are equal. Therefore, PQ is equal to 2 into 3 is equal to 6 centimeter. That is length of chord is equal to 6 centimeter. That means it is also same as the radius or diameter of the second circle. Clear? The question is, let us consider the first question. Two circles of radius 5 cm and 3 cm intersecting with the 2 points, and the distance between the center of the circle is 4 cm. Therefore, we draw the circle with the point of intersection A, PQ, and the chord PQ and the AB as the distance between the centers. Then PQ intersect the AB at the C. Therefore, we know that for the first triangle PCA, hypotenuse is PA, base is X, and altitude is PC. Therefore, AP is equal to 5 cm, that is the radius of the first circle. BP is equal to 3 cm, that is the radius of the second circle. Distance between the point center is AB is equal to 4 cm. Let us assume that the AC is equal to X centimeter. Therefore, BC is equal to 4 minus X centimeter. From the first right angle triangle PC square, that is altitude square is equal to, that is Pythagorean relation. Hypotenuse square minus base square, that is AP square minus AC square, it is 5 square minus X square. That is 25 minus X, that is the first equation. From the right angle triangle PCB, the hypotenuse is AB, altitude is BC, and the BC is the base. Therefore, BC square is equal to 3 square minus 4 minus x the whole square. That is 9 minus of 16 minus 8x plus x square. That is equal to 9 minus 16 plus 8x minus x square is equal to minus 7 plus 8x minus x. That is equation number 2. 1 and 2 are equal because it is PC square. Equation 1 and 2 we get to 25 minus x square is equal to minus 7 plus 8x minus x square. Minus x square on both sides cancels these two. We get what? 25 is equal to, then shifting that minus that left we get plus 7 is equal to 8x. Therefore, 8 is equal to 32, then x is equal to 4. Which implies that B and C coincide with one another. That means C is the center of that circle, second circle. Therefore, C is x is equal to 4. Therefore, that PC square is equal to centimeter. That is the answer. Okay. From this episode, you have also write the question and answer of each exercise on your notebook, and by repeating work, that all the problems be always correctly done. Okay. Question number 2. Two equal chords of a circle intersect prove that segments of one chord segments of one chord are equal to segments of other chord. That is the second question. What is the second question? Two equal chords of a circle intersect. Prove that the segments of one chord are equal to the segments of other chord. Now let us consider something. Answer is this one. With the center O, there are two chords, equal chords, that is AB and CD are equal chords of a circle with the center O. Prove that this is the point of intersection P. Prove that the AB is equal to CP and also DP is equal to BP. This is the question. Okay. Then we know that this is the center of the circle. This is the perpendicular to the center. This is the perpendicular to the center. Therefore, M and N are the perpendiculars to the center. Then join these two. Okay. Listen. There are two circles. This angle is 90 degrees, this angle is 90 degrees. OM and ON are equal. OP is equal to OP. They are common. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent with the RHS theorem. That is right angle triangle, one side and hypotenuse. The sides are always equal, that is CT, the corresponding parts of the triangle. That means we can prove that OMP and ONP are congruent triangles. Therefore, PM is equal to PN. Then these two are equal, therefore AP is equal to CP. That is the answer. Okay. Answer is, what are equal chords? AB is equal to CD. That is given. equal to DM. Is equal to half CD. AN is equal to BN is equal to half A. That means perpendicular bisect chord. That is a theorem. Perpendicular from center bisecting chord. That's the reason for that. Angle OMP is equal to angle OMP is equal to 90 degree. That is perpendicular from center. That is the reason. OP OM is equal to OM. That's the reason. Equal chords are equidistant from center. That is the reason. That is the theorem. Equal chords are equidistant from the center. OP is equal to OP. That is common. Clear? Therefore, right angle triangle 90 degree, hypotenuse OP and altitudes OM. Therefore, triangle OMP congruent. Triangle OMP, that is RHS theorem. Therefore, PM is equal to PN, that is CP. That's what the concept of triangles. Clear? Therefore, PD is equal to PB. Therefore, PD is equal to PB. Also, PC is equal to PA. That means MD is equal to NB because that is the bisected chord. These two sides are equal. Therefore, PD is equal to PB. These two are equal. Therefore, AB is equal to CB. That means the segments are equal. Clear? Once again, the answer. Question is, two equal chords of a circle intersect to prove that the segments of one chord are equal to the segments of other chord. That means we can prove that PD is equal to PB and PA is equal to PC. That is the answer. Then OM is perpendicular. OM is also perpendicular to the chord OP joins. Therefore, we know that AB is equal to CB is equal. CM is equal to DM is equal to half CD. And AM is equal to DM is equal to half AB. That means perpendicular from center bisecting the chord. That is the reason. Angle OMP is equal to angle ONP. That is 90 degree because the line segment from center bisect the chord. It is perpendicular to the chord. That is perpendicular from center. That is given. OM is equal to OM. That is equal chords are equidistant from the center. That is another theorem. OP is equal to OP. That is common. Therefore, the triangle OMP congruent triangle ONP, that is RHS theorem of congruency. Therefore, the corresponding parts are equal. That is PM is equal to PN. That is easy. Therefore, MD is equal equal to NB, that is we know the result, and PM is equal to PM, that is equal. Therefore, PD is equal to PB, which implies that AP is equal to or PA is equal to PC. That is PA is equal to PC. That is the answer. Clear? Then question number 3, that is the same question. Two equal chords of a circle intersect prove that same question the line joining point of intersection are the center of the circle. Center of the circle make it equal angles with the chord. Same question. That is we can prove that the CPCT, that is PM is equal to PM. Similarly, we have to be equal to the CPCT. Same question. Okay? This is the circle and this is our equal chords AB and CD. They intersect B. Then this is the center O. This is PM. And this OM, this is OM. Prove that these two angles are equal. Same question. Answer is AB is equal to CD. That is given. AM is equal to BM. is equal to half AB. PM is equal to CN is equal to DN is equal to half CD. That is perpendicular bisecting OM is equal to OM. That is equal chords are equidistant from center. That is the reason. OP is equal to OP. Correct. Angle OMP is equal to angle OMP is equal to 90 degrees. That is the answer. That means the joining the point of intersection of the center of a circle make equal angles with the chord. That means the chord is CD, therefore angle is POPN. Therefore these two angles are equal. That is it. Clear? Same question. That means AB is equal to CD. That is 0. Therefore AM is equal to BM is equal to half AB. CN is equal to DM is equal to half CD. That is perpendicular bisected chord from the circle bisected. OM is equal to OM. That means equal chords are equidistant from the center. OP is equal to OP common. We know that any perpendicular the line through the center of a circle intersect the chord that make an angle with 90 degree chord. That means it is perpendicular. Therefore, angle OMP is equal to angle OMP is equal to 90 degree. That is perpendicular to chord. Therefore, triangle OMP congruent to triangle OMP, that is RHS theorem of congruency. Therefore, angle OPM is equal to angle OPN, that means CP. Therefore, that is the answer of that problem. Clear? Then question number 4. Question number 4. From figure, prove that AB is equal to CD. Then draw the figure. There are two circles with the center O. A, B, C, D. This is the answer question. That means O is the center of two circles with the different radius. Therefore, all the circles are known as circumcircle. Circumcircle means two or concentric circle. Circumcircle is concentric circle. Two or more circles with the same center and different radii, they are known as concentric circles. Therefore, O is the center of two circles with the different radii, and we can prove that AB is equal to CD. For that one, listen, yeah. Then BC is the chord of what? A circle with the center O. OM perpendicular to BC. Therefore, the perpendicular bisect the chord. Answer: OM perpendicular to AD. That is perpendicular from center. Therefore, AM is equal to BM. Similarly, BM is equal to CM. What's the reason? Perpendicular from center bisect the chord. That's the reason. equal to dm. Case number 1. Bm is equal to cm. Case number 2. That is reason perpendicular from center bisect the chord. That is the reason. Now there are two equations subtracting. 1 minus 2 gives am minus dm. Is equal to dm minus cm. Yes sir? Am minus dm is ab. dm minus cm is cd. That is ab is equal to cd. That is the answer. Clear? That means any perpendicular from center to a chord bisect the chord. That is the basic concept or basic theorem. Using that one, we know that OM is perpendicular to the chord BC and also chord AD. Therefore, M is a midpoint of BC and also AD. Therefore, we know that OM is perpendicular to AD and RW is perpendicular to BC. That is perpendicular from center. Therefore, AM is equal to DM. Case number 1. BM is equal to CM. Case number 2. What's the reason? Perpendicular from center to a chord bisect that chord. That is the answer. From 1 and 2, subtracting 2 from 1, that is 1 minus 2 gives AM minus DM is equal to DM minus EM. That is AM minus DM is equal to AB. DM minus CM is equal to CD. That is the answer. Okay. Then the next of the remaining problems of that exercise we got in the next episode. Okay.